Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, you are going to learn essential English phrases to use at the airport. These are the expressions you'll hear and use while checking in, going through security, boarding your flight, asking for directions, and talking with airport staff. If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English while traveling, this lesson is for you. Learning these practical airport phrases will help you communicate with confidence and make your travel experience much smoother. Welcome to the airport. Where is the check-in counter? I would like to check in, please. May I see your passport? Here is my passport. Do you have any luggage to check? Please place your bag on the scale. Your flight is on time. Your flight has been delayed. Here is your boarding pass. What time does boarding begin? Which gate should I go to? Your gate is gate 15. Please proceed to the security checkpoint. Remove your shoes and belt, please. Put your belongings in the tray. Please walk through the scanner. Your bag needs additional screening. Where is the departure lounge? Is there free Wi-Fi at the airport? Where can I buy some food? The boarding announcement has started. We are now boarding flight 205. Please have your boarding pass ready. Welcome aboard. Please fasten your seat belt. Have a pleasant flight. What time will we arrive? Where is the baggage claim area? Thank you for flying with us. Great job on today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences daily to build natural fluency. Remember, consistency beats perfection. If you found this helpful, please like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more practical lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.